jump right into the video. This here is my top drawer, storage drawer, where I keep all of my tips, my nail tips. We got clear, we have white, stiletto, square. We have all different types and sizes here. The second drawer is where I keep all of my glitters. Just glitters. We also have some butterflies here that we can encapsulate into the nail. The third drawer are mostly foils and things that we can encapsulate into the nail. So these are flowers you can place inside of the clear nail. And these are hearts. So this is something new that I just recently brought. This is Blooming Nail Gel Polish. I have not got to use that yet. So this is the Tack It stickers, or whatever you want to call it. These are used for my press-on nail stands, which is this. If you want to begin to make custom press-on nails, this is what you'll need. I use the pink side for my right hand press-on nails, and I use the other one for the left hand, so I'll never forget. And speaking of press-ons, here are a few. We got long, short, blinged, Dior, all different flavors. But enough of that. This fourth drawer is all of my acrylic powders. Cover Pink, Speed Clear, Core French Pink, Red Apple, here are some of the polishes. Well, that's all of the polishes that I have actually. Now, the foils. This is one of my favorite foil packets. It has a Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Dior. You know, we also have the snakeskin hearts. These are my bags for when my customers pick up their press-on nails or I drop them off. These are the drill bits for the nails. We got soft, medium, and fine. I'm sorry, soft, medium, and the tougher grit. I'm sorry, I forgot the name of it. And here we have more nail stickers. Butterflies. We got it going on, y'all, at Polish Styles. We have different stones. We have diamonds, pearls, Swarovskis. Yeah, that's what you need. You always need at least a pack or two of Swarovskis. Here's more crystals. And here are all of the filers, and these ones are soiled. We'll throw these out. But here are all the filers and my nail forms. And this is my hand prop. I kind of use it to prop the nails up like that. this here is what I used to use for my clients when we're done. You know, we kind of just model the hands there. We have all type of different brushes here, paint holders, and more clear tips. And here we have more tips and acrylic powders. I'm sorry, acrylic paints. Here for nail designs. And on to the tabletop we have, you definitely need a lot of acetone. Acetone and alcohol. Please excuse me today. I might gotta do a voiceover because this is a hot mess. So this is the nail monomer here. I got a big jug. You will need a big hand brush to kind of brush off all of the excess powders and things. Yep, nail polish remover. We'll move over to the table. This is the nail drill that I have. And that's the handle. And this is the LED light that I have. Is it? Maybe it's not plugged in. This is a practice hand. This is very important. This is what I started with, my practice hand. Okay, so I'm missing some things because the kids don't know how to leave my stuff alone. They come over here messing with my stuff. Alrighty. Now, here are some things. Matte top coat. I don't really like that one. I do use this Amelie base coat. I really don't use this, but for rhinestones only. Top coat, my favorite. I'm sorry. This is my favorite. It's a dirty mess, but keep in mind, matte top coat. Keep in mind, I do hair, nails, lashes, and everything. So, you know, it's going to be some things will be a little rough. It may look a little rough around here. These are some of the 2 silicone sticks, dotting to pick up the crystals. This is the infamous acrylic brush. Kolinsky. Can you guys see it? Kolinsky number 20. You will need much lighting. This is what I have here, and I also have a ring light. I got this background here from Home Depot. $20 for a whole roll. Oh, I almost forgot the most important part. Ta-da! Yes, the bling bling. Nails are nothing without bling, baby. Yes, yes. Get into it. Just a second, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm not the best cameraman. Oh, but get into it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're not finished. Turn it around. And bam. So, that's pretty much it. And this is what I use to lay down my diamonds. You can't see it. Can you see it? Well, yeah, that's it. So, I guess that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. This is everything that I've been successful with in running my nail business and press-on business at the same time. Thank you for watching.